So you want to save money because, you know, we all love saving money, but you don't know how to do it. Don't worry, I got you.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down.
I actually recorded this part like so many times. It took me over half an hour to just get this setup right because I haven't recorded a video in such a long time that I want to make this video good. And do you know what? I actually recorded a whole... Let me get my phone. I actually recorded this whole video. Like, I wrote an entire script for this video because I wanted my videos to be a bit more professional. Don't like scripting videos. I don't know why, I feel like it kind of takes away from me. I don't know. I just don't know. Okay, rambling later. Now, how do you save money? First, answer this. What comes to your mind when you think of saving money? Probably using discount codes. And there's a card. So it basically boils down to how often and how effectively can you get discount codes to save money. You may think that getting discount codes is really hard, and you know what, I did as well, but it has been made so much easier to get discount codes thanks to Honey. And that is the first way that we are going to be saving money, is by using Honey. What is Honey? Nice question. Honey is a browser extension that literally finds the best discount codes available for your purchase. Honey searches through the entire internet to find the best discount code available for your purchase. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of a weird name, Honey. I mean, why Honey? I mean, why? Probably because it's sweet, because, you know, it's sweet to save money. So basically, when you're about to check out at pretty much any store, Honey is going to check the entire internet and look for the best discount code available for your purchase. Therefore, you can use that discount code and get 10% discounts, 15% discounts, 5% discounts, and it's super easy to install. I have saved hundreds, yes, hundreds of dollars using Honey. It only takes 2 clicks, one to click the link in the description and the other to click Add to Chrome. And now Honey is available on other browsers such as Firefox. I cannot possibly know what browser you use. I mean, you should be using Chrome because Chrome is definitely the best internet browser, but if you don't use Chrome, just look up your browser name and Honey on Google. I mean, honestly, Honey is so easy to install and so easy to use. You basically save money by literally doing nothing. Seriously, it only takes 2 clicks and you could be saving $10, $20, $30, $40. I literally don't know of a single person that would reject like free money. Like, I'm saying like way too much. Unless you're a spoiled little brat, I could not believe that you could reject free money like this. Like, why would you? Honestly, why would you not? Why the fuck would you not? I mean, I don't know. I literally do not. So the second thing that will help you save money is it's necessarily not a way to get discount codes. It's more of a cashback sort of thing. Yes, you heard me right. You actually get anywhere from 1% to 10% cashback. And how do you do that? I'm glad you asked. Basically, you go onto a site called Ebates, and honestly, Ebates is a new discovery for me. I found out about Ebates like, I don't know, 2 months ago, and it has changed my life. So what you do is you click the link in my description and then you just sign up. That's it. After you're done, you can look up any stores, whether it be clothing, travel, health, fitness, beauty, anything. Ebates probably has an affiliate for that store. So depending on the offer, you can get anywhere from 1% to 10% cashback. And the even better part is, do you know what the even better part is? The link in the description is a referral link and you will get $10 for free. Yes, you will get $10 for free just by signing up. Like, oh my gosh. I mean, seriously, are you kidding me? $10 for free and cashback and Honey. Oh gosh, I'm literally getting so pumped just by saying this. Whoa. Let me just quickly tell you how you use Ebates. Basically what you do is, after you've signed up, just look up all stores and then just pick a store, buy something, and you'll get your cashback. It's as simple as that. And now the last thing that will help you save money while shopping. It's an app/website called Shoptagr. With Shoptagr, you can favorite your preferred products and Shoptagr will notify you every time there's a sale. I'll put up a screenshot right here. As you can see, I used Shoptagr to get the sale. I used Honey to get a discount. I'm gonna get 8%, yes, 8% cashback by using Ebates. I combined the 3 methods and I saved almost $27 $7-ish. And on top of that, I'm gonna get 8% cashback. Oh my gosh, there's a plane going because it knows that it is absolutely insane. If you want to use Shoptagr on your phone, just look up on the App Store or the Play Store, or just click the link in the description. You can also use it on your browser. Just click the link in the description, sign up, and you'll be golden. And that is basically it. I just told you three. I don't know why I do three like this now. 3 ways that you can save money that is absolutely incredible and most of all completely free. I've saved a lot of money by using these, and I guarantee you that you will too. If you're just that stubborn that you don't want to save money, I at least urge you, yes, I urge you to use Honey at least. It is the easiest, and it will save you money every single, not every single, but almost every single time you purchase something. So please, at least use Honey. If you don't use anything else, that's completely fine. If you use all 3, you'll save the most amount of money. And that's the end of the video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this new style of video that I'm making. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure to subscribe and click the bell, because I post videos like this hopefully every week from now. The weather is a bit... I really hope that you use Honey, and yeah, I'll see you next week.